everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a tragic update from North Bengal, India. On June 17th, the Kanchanjunga Express met with a devastating accident near Rangapani station, about 7 kilometers from New Jalpaiguri. This unfortunate event has claimed the lives of 10 people, including a 6-year-old girl who succumbed to her injuries at the North Bengal Medical College on Tuesday. 2 rear compartments of the train derailed, leading to this tragic loss of life and causing severe injuries to many passengers. In response to this heart-wrenching incident, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced an ex gratia payment of Rs 2 lakh for the next of kin of each deceased and Rs 50,000 for those injured. President Draupadi Murmu has extended her condolences and prayers to the bereaved families, wishing the injured a swift recovery. The collision resulted in significant disruptions to the railway services. Several trains were cancelled and many were diverted following the accident. However, railway services have now resumed on the down line near New Jalpaiguri station. The Awadh Assam Express became the first train to pass the accident site on the down line at 10:42 a.m. on Tuesday. The undamaged coaches of the Kanchanjunga Express managed to reach their destination on Tuesday morning. This brings some relief amidst the chaos, but the pain and loss experienced by the affected families remain immense. As the rescue and relief operations continue, authorities are working diligently to ensure the safety of passengers and restore normalcy. This tragic incident serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictability of life and the importance of railway safety. That's all for now. Our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families during this difficult time. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest news. Thank you for watching.